Hello guys, welcome with another video. In this video, we will discuss about how to merge your any drive into your C drive, or you can see that drive is full and another partition is free, so you can merge into this. So for that, you have to write here partition. So you will be here in this disk management. Like if I want to remove this data E, then I have to click this and delete the partition. Then again you have to delete that partition, and then you have to click on this. There will be option of extend volume, so you have to click on it and go for next and next. So by doing this process, you will get that partition into your particular partition that you want to institute. So this was I was expecting from your side. If you might have that problem, you can resolve by this process. So thank you so much for watching.